baliwala ang gamutan kung walang disiplina.
Gaano ito katotoo?
Diyan na papasok yung 7 doctors of discipline. Okay, number 1, Dr. Air. Kailangan ng ating katawan ng oxygen. Makukuha lang natin yan sa natural air. Inhale, exhale every morning. Number 2, Dr. Sunshine. We need natural vitamin D para po ma-boost yung immune system.
Tuwing anong oras?
Wala pong specific time. Basta nandyan yung araw. Hindi mo lang kailangan magbilang. Number 3, Dr. Water. Kaso anong iniinom ng karamihan ngayon?
Soft drinks.
Hindi makakain ng walang soft drinks. Hindi makakain ng walang juices. Okay lang kung fruit juices na totoong fresh na piniga. Number 4, Dr. Exercise. Nakalimutan natin that sweating is a detoxification process of the integumentary system.
Hindi, mga tao kasi busy.
Pagka may sakit na po sila, hindi na sila busy. Number 5, Dr. Diet. Napakahilig natin sa kanin, ang ulam baboy. Tapos, iba-iba lang ng putahe everyday. Dito sa balanced diet, you can enjoy everything. Example, Monday pork, Tuesday fish, Wednesday vegetable, Huwebes baka, Biyernes manok, Sabado seafoods. Na-enjoy mo in the whole week. Balance lang because different organs needs different nutrients. Number 6, Dr. Sleep. Kaya nagkakasakit ang tao because of cell degeneration. So, ang unang tatargetin para magkasakit, cells. And last but not the least, number 7, Dr. Energy. Means positive mindset, positive attitude, positive outlook.